and welcome to H&S Academy. In today's video, we're going to learn how to convert image into an editable text or a Word document. So let's suppose we have an image file which we have here, and we have some text in that image file, and we want to convert this into an editable Word document. So in order to do that, we'll have to go back to our Word document and copy paste that image file over here. Now the next step is to convert this image file, or actually this Word document, into, we're going to save as a PDF. So we'll go to browse, let's save it on our desktop, and over here under the file section we're going to save it as PDF. So let's just name it convert or converted file, and let's save it. Now as you can see, we have our PDF file here. Now we're going to open up another blank Word document, and we're going to open that PDF file using the Microsoft Word. Now the good thing about Microsoft Word is that it automatically converts the PDF file. It gives you an option to, or when you open it with the Microsoft Word, it automatically converts it into an editable text format. So let's see, let's open our PDF file. Go to open, we'll go to desktop, and this is our file. Let's open it. Okay, you'll see this dialog box. What it says is that Word will now convert this PDF into an editable Word document. This is what we need, and the new document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. That's all we're looking to do over here. And now the only thing is that sometimes it might skip some parts of the text, but in this case, if we only have the text, it should work. It only doesn't work, or it might not look like an original file if it contains a lot of graphics. So let's go ahead and click OK. Let's see what we have here. Okay, now as you can see, it has converted that image into a text file. Now as you can see, it has a table. If you want to get rid of the table, what you can do is you can simply copy all the text which you have in there, just copy it, and then just get rid of the table, and then you can simply paste the text over here. Now you can see, if we compare it with the original image, it has all the text which was there in that image. So this is how you can convert an image file into an editable text or a Word document. Hope you've liked the video today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it now so you can stay tuned to our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye bye.